Hi, folks! In today's video, we are going to talk about why Namecheap.com is the best choice for domain registrations. If you're planning to launch a website, taking the time to choose the right domain registrar is key. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Customer support. The primary reason why Namecheap.com is the best choice for domain registrations is their exceptional customer support. Whenever you need help, they are always there to assist you through their 24/7 live chat and phone support. No matter what issues you're facing, they always solve in a timely and efficient manner. Number 2. Affordability. Another reason why Namecheap.com is the best choice for domain registrations is its affordability. They offer high-quality domain registration services at reasonable prices, which are suitable for everyone, from small business owners to large companies. Moreover, they don't have any hidden fees or upselling techniques, which make them a trustworthy domain registrar. Number 3. Security. Namecheap.com is renowned for its top-notch security measures. They provide a domain locking feature to protect your domain from unauthorized transfers and hijacking. Additionally, they also offer two-factor authentication and SSL certificates for better security. Number 4. User-friendly interface. One of the unique features of Namecheap.com is their user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate, and you can quickly register your domain name without any hassle. They also provide a bulk domain registration feature that helps you register multiple domain names at once. Number 5. Transparency. Finally, Namecheap.com prioritizes transparency in all their services. They provide a transparent domain name search tool that displays all the domain pricing on the search results page. Moreover, they also provide free WHOIS privacy protection to protect your personal information. So, folks, that's why Namecheap.com is the best choice for domain registrations. With top-notch customer support, affordability, security, user-friendly interface, and transparency, you can't go wrong with them. If you're looking for a reliable domain registrar, we highly recommend Namecheap.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.